My name is Assistant Professor Dr. Patama Satawedin. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. Currently, I'm the director of the Master of Communication Arts in Digital Marketing Communications program, Bangkok University, Bangkok, Thailand. I also the full-time lecturer for the Department of Public Relations, School of Communication Arts, Bangkok University, Bangkok, Thailand as well. As I told you previously, that my background is not actually about like the education things, but my background is about the media communications and also public relations. I received my bachelor's degree in public relations from Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok, Thailand, and also I obtained like the scholarship. I received a scholarship from Bangkok University to pursue my master's degrees and also the doctorate degrees at the Leicester of University, the United Kingdom. I definitely would like to encourage my friends and also the colleagues in order to attend the conference online according to the reasons that I've addressed to you previously, that it's like a very good space, to be honest, in order for the knowledge sharing and also to making friends. Receive like emails from Dr. Charles that, okay, I was invited to be like the keynote speakers, or even like the, accepted to be like the presenters or things like that. I'm looking forward to, to that event, to be honest, because that I said once again that the conference, attending the conference is such a very valuable space for all of us in order to learn from each other, in order to share the knowledge and also the understandings and also like the experience that they have got formally or informally. And also attending the conference could be like a good space to make friends, like the academic friends, and for the, professional friends, for sure, for further academic and professional collaborations and friendships. And I would like to leave, my intros today, maybe with this statement that I believe that you have heard this statement, and I really think that this is true, even using through like the platform of the conference. So I would say that the conference can be regarded as like the friendship beyond frontier. I'm really happy to to be a part of your conference all the times. And you know exactly what you want to achieve, that I said. And then all the times that I have attended your conference, you did a very good job. You achieved it. And it's really, it's really fun place, lively place that I can get out of myself from my work and then attend your conference with a very, very good welcome from you, from the Eurasia Research, and also from other participants as well. So really appreciate about that.
Okay,